Hi, it's Mike DelSignore. I'm here in Boston. I want to explain what a Cahill resolution is. I'm near the Registry of Motor Vehicles, and often you hear this term, Cahill resolution. And what that means is you're charged with a second offense, OUI, but your two OUIs are more than 10 years apart. So what happens is when they're more than 10 years apart, you can get back on the road right away as long as you get the ignition interlock device, and the judge gives you what is essentially a first offender resolution in the case. So even though it's a second offense, the judge treats it as a first offense. So they don't amend it down. In other words, it's not amended to a first offense, but it's treated as a first offense in the court. So you have to do a 24D alcohol education program, pay fines and fees, and you'll get a 45-day license loss. With that resolution in the case, then the registry will give you a second chance first offender resolution, so to speak, and we'll put you back on the road provided you get the interlock device. You're gonna have to get an interlock packet. You'll go to the registry 2 times to get that approved, and then you'll be back on the road. And that'll let you get back on the road even if you refused a breath test. So let's say you refused a breath test, you'll have the interlock device for the 3 years for the refusal and then 2 additional years after. If you took the breath test and failed, or then the breath test was over 0.08, you'll have the interlock in your car for just the 2 years. So that's the Cahill resolution of the case. Now, it doesn't mean you shouldn't fight the case just because your 2 OUIs are more than 10 years apart. You can get that type of resolution after trial. So just because you are eligible for that, it doesn't mean that's the best decision for you in your case. So if you have a question about what the Cahill resolution is, feel free to contact me. My name's Mike DelSignore. Handle cases out of Boston, the Boston court, all over Massachusetts. So regardless of where your case is, we can help you. That's what we're here to do, is to defend you on OUIs, explain the license consequences, make sure you make the best decision possible for your case. It's never too early, too late to call 781-686-5924.